then you have to write season 1, and then 2, and then 3. Amazon Prime doesn't let us go, so it takes us that long. And it's easy to quickly make things, but if you want something quality, you need to let it cook. So it took us 4 years to cook.
कहते हैं slow cooked is the best, right?
Slow cooked is the best.
Yeah, it's the best. I have a very personal question for you, DK, which is 4 साल तो लग गए, लेकिन इन 4 सालों में इस टीम में actually क्या क्या किया? Like personal answers are up.
Yeah, I mean, again, first of all, I'd like to thank all the fans and the audience and been very, very patient for 4 years, which we all are painfully aware is a very long time. Having said that, I mean, we did give it a little bit of jhalak of Family Man in Fuzzy just to keep everybody kind of, in the loop, saying, okay, it's coming, and then finally it took us this long to make it. But yeah, every season is progressively more difficult than the previous season, and because the challenge is not just telling that same story, right? I mean, the reason one season works is because it catches you by surprise. And now if you have to make the next season, there's a lot of things that are expected. So how do you still surprise people? So that's the biggest challenge of making a subsequent season.